We believe the everyday smart home experience is centered around AV and lighting. From uControl, manage individual lighting circuits like switching this Lutron controlled lamp on or off. Or you can control the whole room like we do here using Rako. When I select the movie sequence, uControl dims some lights, switches off others, switches the LED light strip to a predefined color and brightness, switches on the TV and selects my favorite source device, which I'm now able to control. If my mood changes, I can make the room adapt to that. And when I'm done, I just hit a room off sequence and uControl takes care of the rest. All this and more using just one of our newest MHUBs and an optional uControl remote. No additional controller or third-party control system required and no complicated programming.